ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joaquin with JCC Adventures. So this weekend, hopefully, I'll be able to do some hiking up in the White Mountains. So I like going up to the White Mountains. It's a lot of fun, a lot of mountains. So I'm trying to do the 48. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but there's 48 4,000 footers in the White Mountains that a lot of people do within like a year that they hike up. I'm gonna spread mine out throughout a few years. I don't really have the time. Hopefully this year I'll be able to knock out quite a few of those, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm headed up there and maybe do a little overlanding as well. So I found a back road that it gets closed in the wintertime, so I'm not sure if it's open. Hopefully it is. If it's not, I may have to do some creative driving, but we will see. So hang tight, come along for the adventure. I just pulled off on the off the Kangamangas Highway off to Overlook, but really cloudy and foggy, so you can't really see much. But I'm gonna get out and show you guys around. Yeah, pretty nasty weather out. But here's the Overlook. Can't really see much. Plaque of some sort. This is what you're supposed to see. I don't know if you can see that. But it's pretty cloudy and foggy, so can't really, not a good view today. Look at that. Well, hey buddy, how you doing? It's in there. Good thing I brought the max tracks, or else I'd be here for a while. Oh man, I just got full of snow. Yeah, I got myself pretty stuck. So unfortunately, the back axle is, I don't know if you can see, it's hung up. So this was kind of drooped down. It's not getting any traction. I got my max tracks out. This one's not getting any traction. I just aired down a little bit, not too much. If I need to air down some more, I will, but chances are I'm just gonna have to shovel out underneath. It's just hung up, so I'm gonna shovel away. I got myself dug out. Took me a little bit. I just had to get the rear axle unhung, I guess. I had to dig out all underneath. Right there you can see the skid plate got hung up. So it just dips off onto the side there pretty deep. The rest of this, there's a spot here that looks kind of deep right here. I feel like it just drifted in, and all we're going to is a parking lot, it seems like. So I'm just gonna turn around and go back. Not worth it. So, but I got plenty more roads to check out, so here goes. It's gated. Yep, that sucks. Pretty sure it's locked too. Oh yeah. Well, that's too bad. That's a bit of a bummer, but well, have to find some different roads then. Alright, well guys, I was able to find a small road. It was kind of a little road that goes up to a parking lot for a hiking trail, but looks like a good spot to camp for the night, so here goes. Well, I gotta say, for the first time coming out, kind of using the tent out, not first time using the stove, but first time kind of doing everything all together, kind of not really out in the wilderness, but well, we're kind of a ways out, but so far so good. Definitely some things that need improvement. I'd like to get a fridge, maybe a better stove, or at least a drawer system in the back. That'd be nice. So that might be coming up soon. But definitely get the hang of things, be able to set the tent up faster, kind of get things situated, you know. Once you get the feel of things will kind of move together a little better. So, but not bad for the first time. It's pretty good. So, kind of a lot of the roads were closed today, so that was kind of a bummer. But hopefully tomorrow I'll do some hiking. So I'm not sure which mountain I'll do, but you guys will see that tomorrow. So, but yeah, so far so good. Well, it's the next morning, and slept pretty good. It was mattress wasn't too bad. Like if you lay on your back, you sleep a little better. But probably down the road, I'll get some sort of little mattress topper or something like that. But it's pretty early in the morning. Woke up a little before 6, so a little earlier than I was hoping. But yeah, good night's rest. So that was nice. Well, I'm going to show you guys on the map what I'm going to do today for hiking. Camped right here at that green parking mark there, the green one. Today I was thinking about maybe hiking up to Mount Willie. It's a 4,285 foot mountain, and then maybe later possibly hike up to Mount Webster and Mount Jackson. So we'll see how that goes. There's some snow out here. Yeah. I'm not that far up either. I'm probably about a mile out, if that. So there's a fair amount of snow. So I feel like there's gonna be a lot more closer to the top. So hopefully we'll be able to make it up. But yeah, we'll see.
Will you pick me off the ground if the walls come down? Will you save me or burn me down?
think I've possibly ventured off the trail. Not really sure. I'm kind of following a track that's been packed down a while ago, probably this winter, but I don't know if it's the actual trail. I haven't seen any markers. It kind of looks like it goes into nothing, so I can kind of see might be the top, or it might be just a plateau, but we'll see. I'll go a little farther, so I can always turn around and go back. Oh, here we go. Outlook. Finally, I think I made it. Oh man, this view. Holy cow. Well, there's not much to see up here, so coming up was a pain, but going down is going to be harder. So, oh, that's going to be a lot of fun, but yeah, this is the great view. Well, coming down was definitely a lot harder than going up. I was sliding around, there was ice everywhere. It was a pain, and my boots are soaked. And I think it's starting to rain. So, and I busted up my knuckles too. That one sucked. Planted my pole, went straight through the snow right up to my hand. Snow was deep, so it is starting to rain. Damn. Well, I got in just in time. Just started raining. Nothing too crazy, but started drizzling quite a bit. So, yeah, it was a tough hike, but it was a lot of fun, though. So that was another one to check off the 48. So, I don't know. I may check out that road that I was going to check out yesterday, see if it's open. It's probably closed, but I'm not too far away, so I might as well do that But today we're meeting up with the bachelor party, so that's later today, but might have a little time to check out some back roads, so we'll check them out. Well, the road is not closed, so this is good. I'm still aired down to about 30 psi, so if we encounter anything too crazy, I may air down more or leave it right there. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, we'll check it out. Unfortunately, there's a gate up there a ways, so that was a bummer. Wasn't able to go any farther. They just had this road open, I guess, to a parking lot, so you can go to a hiking trail. So I'm on my way back out, and then probably head down to the bachelor party. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.